Hey guys, if you're looking for the best drones in 2025, you're in the right place. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best drones available now, all with high-res 8K cameras, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and long flight times. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a pro, there's something here for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get into it. Number 1. 2025 new V168 Max GPS drone. 8K dual camera and 5G Wi-Fi FPV. The V168 Max is a foldable quadcopter drone with 8K dual cameras, GPS positioning, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and height hold functionality. It boasts a wide-angle lens and is great for aerial photography. This drone offers incredible video quality with its dual 8K cameras, perfect for stunning aerial shots. The GPS and height hold keep it steady and easy to fly, while 5G Wi-Fi ensures low-latency FPV streaming. Its foldable design makes it portable and travel-friendly. Pros: Ultra HD 8K dual cameras, stable GPS positioning and height hold, 5G Wi-Fi for clear FPV transmission, compact foldable design. Cons: battery life could be longer, slight learning curve for beginners, perfect for hobbyists wanting professional-grade footage on a budget. Number 2. New K911 SE drone. 8K HD GPS with 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. The K911 SE features 8K HD video, GPS, optical flow positioning, a large screen remote, and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. It also sports a brushless motor for quieter, more durable flights. This drone combines professional imaging with advanced safety features. The laser obstacle avoidance allows for safer flights, especially in complex environments. The big screen remote improves visibility and control. Pros: 8K video quality, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motor for quiet flight, large screen remote control. Cons: slightly more expensive, bulky remote may not suit all. Ideal for pilots who want advanced safety and crisp video quality. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone. 8K brushless with laser obstacle avoidance. Xiaomi's V198 GPS offers an 8K professional brushless motor, laser obstacle avoidance, aerial optical flow, and a foldable compact design. This model combines Xiaomi's trusted build quality with powerful imaging and safety tech. The brushless motor improves durability and flight efficiency, while laser sensors protect against collisions. Pros: professional 8K camera, laser obstacle avoidance, foldable and portable, brushless motor for longevity. Cons: moderate battery life, GPS signal can be weak in some areas. Great for those wanting a reliable drone with professional features. Number 4. K18 Max 4.5-inch large screen drone. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and GPS. This drone features a 4.5-inch large display remote, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, optical flow, and an airdrop function for quick photo/video transfer. The large screen remote is a standout feature, making FPV flying easy and immersive. Combined with obstacle avoidance and GPS, it's a user-friendly drone for beginners and pros alike. The airdrop feature is handy for quick content sharing. Pros: large 4.5-inch remote screen, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning and optical flow, airdrop content sharing. Cons: remote adds some bulk, flight time on the shorter side, best for users wanting easy control and safety features. Number 5. New Z908 Max dual 8K GPS drone. 10 kilometers range and brushless motors. Z908 Max boasts dual 8K cameras, 10 kilometers flight range, GPS, brushless motors, and folding quadcopter design. With one of the longest ranges on this list, this drone suits explorers and videographers who need distance and high-resolution imaging. The brushless motors provide smooth, quiet flights, and folding design boosts portability. Pros: dual 8K cameras, massive 10 kilometers flight range, brushless motors for efficiency, foldable design for travel. Cons: price is on the higher side, requires some drone experience, perfect for advanced users who want professional features with long-range capability. So, which drone is right for you? For beginners looking for great image quality and easy flight, V168 Max or K18 Max for advanced safety and obstacle avoidance. K911 SE or Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS for professionals needing long-range and dual 8K cameras. Z908 Max. If you want to see more in-depth reviews or tutorials on any of these drones, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our drone tech content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.